What happens to your brain when you have zero social contact? No talking, no messages, no human interaction at all. At first, it feels peaceful, quiet, no stress, no noise. But your brain is already starting to change. Within days, your brain increases stress hormones because humans are wired to connect. Isolation feels like danger. You lose something called reality feedback. Normally, people help you check your thoughts. Without them, your mind starts drifting. Thoughts repeat. Small worries become big problems. Overthinking slowly takes control. Sleep gets worse. Your body clock breaks. Days and nights start blending together. After longer isolation, things get serious. You may feel intense anxiety, or even fear without reason. Some people even start hearing or seeing things, not because they're crazy, but because the brain is searching for stimulation. Your brain shifts. Less logical thinking, more emotional reactions. This can lead to depression. Your body feels it too. Headaches, stress, low energy. Isolation affects your whole system. The best defense: routine, movement, learning. Even small habits protect your brain. Being alone is normal, but staying disconnected too long isn't. Your brain needs people, just like it needs air. Thanks for watching. This is Actually Productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.